This design, which overlays the fingerprint Pollex textures with an all-over actual nature picture, is simple to understand. The matched back strap and underfoot traction provide a hint of grounded sepia tonality to counterbalance the graphic print. Although Bembury's passion for the outdoors is undoubtedly enough to motivate him, the iconic status that his Realtree look attained among his fan base also served as the inspiration for his first signature shoe under the Colorado brand, as one of our first glimpses of the model was provided by an identically patterned Crocs Juniper. Ironically, the camouflaged version of the Juniper has yet to be released to the general public, despite producing around 6 distinct looks thus far. The Salehe Bembury X Crocs Pollex Clog in F&F3 camo will be available on the designer's website, besponge.com, starting on June 5 at 9 a.m. PST. You may be secure in anticipating the typical $85 sticker price.